Hi guys, welcome back to Athak Guruji channel. Today we will create first Python program. So for this I have installed Anaconda. You can also install. I'm using here Anaconda Navigator. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So here I will use this Jupyter Notebook. Just click here launch. Simple. So I have created one folder here Python stuff. So here I will create one file. So just click here Python 3. So this is my notebook. So here you can write anything using Python. So simple I write print hello Athav, how are you? Close this. So we have a two option here to run this. So you can use this run selected cell and you can also click here. So I just click here, see this. Hello Athav, how are you? Print, I am good, thanks. What about you? Simple. We have one shortcut here also. You can use that shortcut Shift plus Enter. See this. I'm good. Thanks. What about you? You can also do some math calculation here. Simple. Write like this. 1 plus 1. Shift Enter. 2. 2 plus 6 or 5. Shift Enter. 5 divide 2. Enter. Simple. Or you can see, write like this. 5 into 10. Shift Enter. Simple. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.